जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू स्टेनोवर्क्स। आई एम योर टीचर मोहम्मद वसीम। जी आज जो है हम एक डिक्टेशन लेने जा रहे हैं जो कि क्रिमिनल पैरा है। 886 टोटल वर्ड्स हैं, 120 वर्ड पर मिनट के हिसाब से मैं बोलूँगा। टोटल 7 मिनट्स एंड 38 सेकंड्स की डिक्टेशन होगी। जी स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। Indicated for homicide, petitioner herein, claimed trial along with 6 others before a learned additional sessions judge, they were arraigned in the backdrop of shifting of an electric transformer in the village that disrupted power supply to the annoyance of co-villagers, lined up into 2 groups that clashed at the site, 6 p.m. on 2/7/2010, both suffered injuries, opined to have been caused with blunt weapons with the exception of deceased, 70, fatally trapped by petitioner's solitary shots in the abdomen with a corresponding exit, full stop. Receipt of injuries suffered by the accused failed to weigh with the police to set up a counter version, and the accused faced trial without recourse to a private complaint. Stop. The petitioner was alone to receive a guilty verdict with death sentence, altered into imprisonment for life by the High Court wide impugned judgment dated 30/1/2017. Stop. New para. Learned counsel for the petitioner contends that evidence disbelieved qua majority of the accused cannot haul up the petitioners without independent corroborations, according to him, hopelessly lacking, that the crime report is completely silent on the injuries suffered by no less than 5 accused, a suppression spelling out an incident incompatible with the details mentioned in the crime report, jail petition number 2, that there exists a clear conflict between ocular account and medical evidence, as presence of blackening around the wound belies the intersea distance mentioned in the crime report as well as site plan, it is next argued that deceased in his late 70s was alone to death by his own claim to hush up the mischief. Stop. New para. Heard, full stop. New para. With no previous bad blood, shifting of an electric transformer, with power breakdown, rocked an otherwise peaceful neighborhood in the sizzling heat of the season, and in this backdrop initial receipt of injuries, established during the course of investigation to have been caused by clubs, etc, full stop, has to be viewed in the peculiar background of the incident, full stop. This appears to be a reason for absence of the injured from the witness box, worst casualty was the deceased, hit by petitioner's shot as the clash graduated more violent, and thus, in the given circumstances, acquittal of the accused by the trial court in the absence of the injured from both sides has been an option wisely preferred by the learned trial judge, acquittals do not extenuate petitioner's culpability for additional reasons as well, the police declined to entertain the counter version, and the accused by their own choice considered institution of private complaint as a futile exercise, full stop. A bipartisan suppression appears to be the predominant cause behind the acquittal of accused, with roles trivially different, thus, by itself does not pave way for the petitioner to escape consequences of his individual criminal act, otherwise established beyond doubt, full stop. In these circumstances, plea of indivisibility of evidence is not available to the petitioner, stop. It was held by this court in the court must not be deterred by the incompleteness of the tale from drawing the inferences that properly flow from the evidence and circumstances, a view reaffirmed in the case of hypothesis of conflict between ocular account and medical evidence, inordinately agitated to a highlight highlight presence of burning around the entry. Aperture is without foundation as well. Full stop. According to site plan, the petitioner fired fatal shot from point B standing in a window that hit the deceased at point A. Full stop. According to the interc, distance between 2 points is 4 feet and thus presence of blackening around the entry wound is not suppressing. Semicolon. The relevant portion of the cross-examination is reproduced below. Colon inverted comma start. It is incorrect to suggest that according to the scale map the distance between point A and point B is 12 feet. Full stop. Volunteered that it is 4 feet. Full stop. Inverted comma close. Burning or blackening comma though a predominant factor to determine distance interc, the assailants and the victim comma nonetheless is not the conclusive indicator. Semicolon. It depends upon factor more than one, i.e. quality of munitions and process of combustion that may possibly vary the impact of combusted gunpowder. A smudging shot may cause deceptive appearance as well, therefore, in the absence of other qualifying evidence, hypothesis of interc distance cannot be constructed with empirical attitude on the presence of burning alone. Full stop. Even otherwise, site plan has never considered as a substantive piece of evidence, nor any benefit may be extracted therefrom, unless the witnesses are duly confronted with the purported anomaly or discrepancy therein. Semicolon. No such attempt has been undertaken by the defense. Stop. A color account has been furnished. PW7 and PW8 colon. They are in tune with each other on all the silent features of the case as well as detail collateral therewith. Semicolon. They have no axe to grind to point their fingers on the petitioner alone, in a situation that cropped up with no past strings. Full stop. Defense version that apprehending death of injured the deceased, in his last 70s, related in first degree with the complainant, was executed by his own kith and kin to fabricate a counter version is a story that, being most preposterous, would hardly find a buyer despite strenuous effort, learned counsel for the petitioner has not been able to point out any flaw, discrepancy, legal or factual, calling for interference with the conclusions concurrently drawn by the courts below. Stop. Petition fails. Stop. Leave. Decline. Full stop. The end.